Whoa, there are some really strong sentiments here, all right, and I wouldn't change a thing.
Now I finally see it. You've really poured your heart into it. I'm sorry, and I love you.
I never thought making a comic would have such an impact on your life. We were attacked for it.
When we were just talking about love.
Do you think Deep Darkness will come back?
That or something else. The Great Hate hasn't been defeated. There will always be someone to summon it.
At least thanks to your new ending, Rainpiercer and Sunheart will still have their powers.
They can continue the fight.
Kinda like us, except we don't have powers, obviously.
Power or no power, I'll always be there to protect you.
Same here. But promise me you'll never put yourself in danger for me. You're not a superhero.
Ziggy, plead it. Well, say something.
Oriko, sunrise.